Okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I can't get up.
Just relax, okay?
So right now, that rejection on Naz is wild. But now let's do a quick taste test. I can't lie, the bag is huge. Look how big this is. GU is doing crazy things, fam. Hey, what's up, y'all? So today, I'm just gonna take you guys through my day literally today. Right now, it's almost 8 p.m. That's when I need to get onto the charts. But first, I need to quickly read at least. I'm pretty much getting ready for the day now. I have a lot to do today. So I'm gonna tell you guys pretty much through my day-ish. Hopefully something interesting happens or whatever. Okay, so I've pretty much just jumped on the charts right now. Based on what I'm seeing now, I've got to do a quick analysis and just chat to the team basically. Sometimes I'm gonna have people opposing as me like this. It's just silly that they kind of come in this way. As you can see, I can already find two. So let's just quickly ban this guy. Now let's do a quick analysis, right? See if we can find a cheeky little setup. Yeah, so nothing as of yet. Past 2 days has been pretty good. Literally, Monday we made 2K, on Monday we made 2K yesterday as well. Now we're up 4 and there's 3 days left. So this week should be profitable regardless. Came into the charts real quick and I saw this setup, right? Now, I missed the entry because I saw this around here, but it was already pumping up. It did come back twice to kind of give you multiple chances to enter again, but I didn't take it. So I'm kind of left at this point when I'm watching it almost go to TP basically, which is okay. I mean, it's fine, I guess. Can't really complain, but I just have to wait for another setup. I mean, no matter, it does happen, to be fair. Hopefully we get another setup though, because I don't want to be on charts till 12 if I'm being honest. If I can pack this up sooner, then that would be better for me. Yep, as you can see, this setup is flying, bro. Oh my word. Yeah, that's annoying, man. I had multiple chances to get in. Multiple. Could have been done in literally 30 minutes, man. And that would have been 6K this week. But now I kind of have to wait for another setup, and there's no setup clicking at the moment. I'm pretty much falling asleep now. Since that setup that we had earlier, there has been absolutely nothing. I'm hella bored at the moment. It's currently 11:05, so I'm going to be on the charts for another 55 minutes. But instead of doing that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run some errands real quick and just should take me like 10-15 minutes. Can't lie, weather's looking nice today. Alright, so this new camera that I got, I can't lie, it's very nice. Let's see what the damage is going to be. So what I need to do, guys, is I need to fix this car, right?
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I can't get up.
Okay. You know what you need to do? Just relax. Everybody just relax, okay?
Yeah, that's alright.
Just relax, okay?
I'm trapped in.
Don't move because you guys gonna do more damage.
Alright.
Just relax.
So I need to fix this car. You can kind of see the purple marks still. Purple marks around here. You see some more literally right here. Yeah, the biggest damage of all is literally the alloys. As you can see, the scratches. That this damage is peak, man. And it's causing our car to kind of move a little bit funky. But as you can see, literally right here, broken. So far, the quote we got for this is around like 2K, bro, to fix it, and that's £2,000, not even dollars, bro. I'm just gonna quickly hit up another spot to find out how much they're gonna charge, and then we'll go from there. One thing I'm not really trying to do is get insurance involved, because when you get insurance involved in these things, bro, it gets hella complicated. Don't do it, you're gonna get a ticket. That's GG's, man. Oh hi, I had an accident yesterday.
Yeah.
And the car's outside, so I just wanted to get a quote for how much it'll be to fix.
Oh, okay.
This is one major one.
Oh,
probably need a replacement. Pretty much scratches here, here. This came out, scratch here, here. Long day, guys, I'm telling you, long day, man.
You're talking thousands.
Got suspension as well. That's if it is a suspension, to be fair.
I mean, that's the reason your wheel
keeps going in one direction.
This wheel's straight, this wheel's pointing in, so you're going to need all suspension there.
Oof.
And probably Mercedes would say a steering rack as well. Steering rack's like 1,500 quid. I mean, I can do it, I can give you a price, but you might end up wanting to go for insurance.
Go for insurance instead, you think so?
We can still do it for insurance, like, but I mean, if I was you, if you don't need to drive it, I wouldn't drive it, it's not safe. Even that alloy, that's going to be like almost 800 quid. The tyre's probably 200 quid. Brilliant.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Take one of my cards.
Okay.
If you've got any questions or anything, I'll email it over, I'll also ring you.
Okay, thank you.
Sometimes the emails go to spam or junk.
Yeah.
So just check them, but
okay.
I'll ring you anyway to...
Perfect. Alright, thank you very much.
Alright.
Thanks for your time. Take care. Okay, so I'm back in now. At the moment, no setups based on what I can see. Market's just pretty much been dry since, yeah, I think I'm done trading. It's 11:40 now. So right now I'm gonna just make some phone calls, try to sort out, see what I can do with the whole shebang. Probably gonna have to go for insurance. So yesterday I didn't do much trading, so I actually wanted to show you guys a bit more trading today. Hopefully we find this up today. I was actually meant to go and visit somebody and I was going to bring you guys along, but the person is kind of sick, so I can't really do that anymore. So right now I'm just going to get onto the charts in about like 10 minutes or so, trade with the students and see how far we can go. Then afterwards just check on the whole car situation I'm having to deal with. So I'm just going this G trade right now. Trade's looking a little scary based on price action, but so there's a nice setup right there, which is also working out. Then there's also a gold setup, which is also playing out. I decided to take the, not gold, I keep saying gold, G, right? I decided to get into the G setup instead, and hopefully I make the right call. But personally, the way it's moving right now, I think I should have taken NAS, just because of NAS also has like very little commissions in it, so this is kind of moving a bit sus. So right now that rejection on NAS is wild. Crazy. So this is why never enter two of the same trade that has the same currency pair. So if it's like NAS or GE, they both have USD in it, so never enter both, man. You could just be cooked. So that NAS setup lost, right? That NAS setup lost, which is wild, and GE is still holding. Not really a fan of how G is moving though, man. Come on. To be fair, I think there was CPI today or something. So big push, big push, big push, big push. Let's go, bro. GU is doing crazy things, fam. Did you see how close we were to stop? How close we were to getting stopped out? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. But you see me? We're not leaving that trade. We don't do that around here. We held through. Can we close below here though? We need to get a very nice closure. And there is obviously a demand zone right here as well that might cause issues, but we'll see when we get there. Okay, we didn't close below, guys. Huge rejection. Huge rejection. Very, very huge rejection. I think we finally got it, man. This trade, I'll be honest with you, was a headache. I hate when the trade plays around like that, man. Almost at 1 hour though. If this rejects again and doesn't close below here, I'm probably closing something. We need to close below this consolidation, man. We can't reject again. Come on, really? I don't usually tweak my trades, but I'm gonna have to reduce my risk and just half it at this point. Now, sellers are definitely pushing, but buyers are coming in as well. There is that small gap right there. I do want to see how price will react when we fill it. Okay, we fill the gap now, so we should start melting anytime from now. There we go. Just exactly how I wanted it. I get the feeling though they might stop us out because there's still sellers, right? You can see there's still volume to the downside for sure. They might just stop us out, right, and then start going back down again. But I'm not. I can't change my stop loss though. Honestly, I feel like closing this for real. I don't like it at all. Let me find out who's still holding this in the academy. Guys, we finally got the closure that we needed. About time. So we're about to tap into this supply zone right now. I'm for sure moving stops to break even though for this trade. I'm not playing with it at all. So this trade is risk free at this point. Whatever happens with this. This could cause some sort of reaction. Can we breeze through it though, or are we gonna get stopped at break even first? Yeah, that demand zone is causing serious rejection right now. Alright, I'm out break even. That's basically the trade for today. I feel like this might still keep pushing to hit TP, to be honest. The car should be getting picked up in the next couple days. Hopefully they do a good job as well though. I can't wait to get the car back. Then eventually all of this is going to escalate and I'm going to be getting calls from insurance all over the gaff. Kind of a bit of a smooth process though. I mean, that is what I'm paying, what, 3,000 a year for. Time once again, I need to go and get a trim. Car is still working. You guys will see exactly how the lineup goes in a few minutes. We are looking, say less. It never fails me still. Can't lie. Time to eat. Do you have baguettes? Bacon, sausage, and egg?
Yes.
I can't lie, yeah. The grub I just grabbed here is, how much did you say it was? Cost me £7. In my other spot, it's £4.50. So I'm gonna see which one tastes nicer. But now let's do a quick taste test of the munch, right? Let's see if this is busting. I can't lie, the bag is huge. Look how big this is. Okay. What? Oh, they split it in two. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Alright, let me give you one little W bite. The baguette is soft, that's good. Don't want it to be too hard. This is gonna keep me going for the day. If you have enjoyed this content, be sure to let me know. Just a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.